What's up, people? Welcome back to another Tailor-Made Kick sneaker review. Today we're going to be doing the 1996 Reebok The Blast. Alright, let's get into the box. Classic navy and red Reebok box. See the Reebok logo right there. Let's check out the tag. Shoebox tag says The Blast, size 8. I got these for $150 from Hibbett. Shout out to Hibbett. Alright, let's get into the sneaker. 1996. There was a young lefty by the name of Nick Van Exel who played for the Los Angeles Lakers. They called him Nick the Quick. And these were his shoes. The Blast by Reebok. I got these in the size 8. I got them a half size down. They run a little big, but they fit comfortable. Good structured shoe. Classic black and white basketball shoe. They have this mesh on the side right here. This mesh on the side underneath these side panels. Mostly white bottom with a specks of red and black. These are hexalites, so that's Reebok's rendition of the air bubble. These shoestrings are black and white. Y'all know I love shoestrings. I'm not mad at these. So on the right shoe, it's black on the outside, white in the inside. On the left shoe, it's white on the outside, black in the inside. So the shoe is split down the middle, black and white, between both sneakers, left and right. So on the back, you'll see a pull tab to help you put your sneaker on, and the Reebok logo. On the side, there's 3 small Reebok logos. This is a good shoe, man. For those who play basketball, they know. On the left shoe, the bottom sole is mostly black with specks of white and red and the Reebok logo. So I paid $150 for these from Hibbett. They were just re-released on Reebok. Shout out to Shaq, who's taking over Reebok and re-releasing all the classic Reebok basketball sneakers. People forget that Reebok had its own run in basketball sneakers, starting from the Reebok Pump to the Shaq Attack Reebok Pump to the Allen Iverson. You had the Shawn Kemp Kamikazes. So Reebok had their own, basketball line called the Black Top. Oh, if you know, you know. If you was around, you was around. You remember that era. But shout out to Nick Van Exel. He's the one who actually wore these and balled in these, as far as some other players around the league. But he was the signature player for this particular shoe. The tongue is also split black and white with a pull tag for you to pull on the sneakers and pull them off easily. This is a good, comfortable shoe, man. I'm going to say it's more comfortable than the Allen Iversons. And it's about the same amount of comfort as the Shack Attack Reebok pumps. So, as far as wear, stash, or resell, I'm gonna say I'm gonna pull these out in the summertime, and I'm gonna wear these. You know, maybe with some classic black and white shorts, or I'll go all out and get the authentic, either the yellow or the purple Laker shorts. Which ones y'all think I should get? The purple Laker shorts or the yellow Laker shorts to go with these? Since Nick Van Exel was a Laker. This was back in the day where team colors on their shoes had to be black and white. What would you rate the shoe? I would rate this shoe a 7.5. I would rate this shoe a 7.5. Only because it's Reebok. Y'all know I'm Team Nike. Checks over everything. But I would give this shoe a 7.5 because it's a Reebok. But it's a well-structured shoe. You know, a good basketball shoe. Nice, comfortable, soft leather. Hard structure so it shouldn't get too damaged. A little bit of suede on the toe cap right here. It's a pretty good shoe, man. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. What would y'all rate this shoe? Also, stay tuned to TaylorMade Kicks every Wednesday night, live at 8 p.m. Don't forget, TaylorMade Kicks, live at 8 p.m. Every Wednesday, live at 8 p.m. TaylorMade Kicks. Tell a friend and tell a friend. The greatest sneaker show out right now. Holla at your boy. We out of here.